Hi everybody. First task in the morning I used to have is to make breakfast for my wife. Today I'm making Kalongi Omelette. Uh, as usually start with the vegetables. You need probably a medium-sized onion, two tomatoes, four green chilies, fresh coriander, freshly grounded black pepper, and of course the kalonji. So I already cut the onions. Now I'm cutting the green chilies. Make sure that you make all things a small and equal size so they fried equally. Uh, Cut tomatoes always in the length size and make them small so they can be uh, fried properly and will not be uncooked. So now you can see in the pan, you can see the onions, green chilies, tomatoes, kalonji and black pepper and salt. So all is them. I have put some oil over there also and frying them with less oil uh, and blending the 4 eggs. Make sure that you blend properly the eggs because you have to oxidize them to get the right taste, and then you put all these fried items into the eggs or into the blend. One key thing here, if you want a good omelette, always mix some oil before blending in the eggs. So it will create a foam, it will create better taste, and egg omelette will be cooked from inside. Done. So now you put some. You oh yeah. I love fresh corianders. People don't like it, but I love them. I want to put some cheese also, but my wife don't like it. So what to do? I love cheese. So the blend is, I think, is almost ready now. So you need to put the pan. You need to put some more oil because now you're frying the omelette, and make sure that the fire will be less. You have to cook slowly. Cook omelette always slowly, and the problem, use a small pan, but the problem is that love to have a half cooked omelette, but wife would like to have the full cooked. So I have to divide it. We have to share it. So uh, that you can see now, I half is half cooked and half is full cooked. So I have, and please again cook slowly. Uh, Now it's ready. Wife portion is ready because you can see it is well done. This one